Follow these steps to optimize performance and FPS in Marvel Rivals for any PC setup. 1. Optimize in-game settings. Graphics settings. Resolution. Set to your monitor's native resolution, but consider lowering it slightly if performance is still poor. Shadows. Turn off or set to low. Textures. Set to medium for lower-end setups, high for mid-tier systems. Anti-alias AA or turn it off completely for older GPUs. VSync. Disable to reduce input lag and boost FPS. Motion blur. Turn off to make gameplay smoother. Post-processing. Set to low or medium. Ambient occlusion. Disable to significantly boost performance. 2. Adjust Windows settings. Power plan. Open the control panel Power Options. Select High Performance. For laptops, make sure your device is plugged in while gaming. Background apps. Press Ctrl-Shift-ESC to open the task manager. End unnecessary apps running in the background that consume CPU and RAM. Game mode. Enable game mode. Press Windows I, go to Gaming, Game Mode, turn it on. 3. Update drivers and DirectX. GPU drivers. Ensure your graphics card drivers, NVIDIA, AMD, Intel, are up to date. Visit the official GPU manufacturer's website for the latest updates. DirectX Update. Type DXDiag in the Windows search bar to ensure you're using DirectX 12 or higher. 4. Modify config files. Optional for advanced users. Navigate to the game's config file. Location varies by installation. Adjust the following parameters: shadow quality equals 0, texture quality equal 2, effects quality equal 1, anti-aliasing equals 0. Save and relaunch the game. 5. Enable GPU hardware scheduling. Go to Settings, System, Display, Graphics Settings. Enable hardware accelerated GPU scheduling. Requires a system restart. 6. Verify game files. Epic Games Steam. Open the launcher, Epic Games or Steam. Go to Library, right-click on Marvel Rivals, select Verify Files. 7. Overclock your GPU. Advanced. Use tools like MSI Afterburner to overclock your GPU safely. Increase the core clock and memory clock slightly to boost performance. 8. Use an FPS optimizer tool. Optional. Tools like Razer Cortex or NVIDIA GeForce Experience can optimize the game for performance. 9. Lower resolution scale. In-game, adjust the resolution scale to 90% or 80% if FPS is still low. 10. Clean your PC. Clear temporary files, Windows R, type %temp%, and delete all files. Use disk cleanup to free up space. Final note, if performance issues persist despite following these steps, consider upgrading hardware components, such as adding more RAM or switching to an SSD for faster load times.